A recently launched pilot in Tel Aviv schools is trying to overcome a severe shortage in teachers with the help of virtual classes and AI. What it means in practice is that computers will replace some of the teachers. Now, my wife is a teacher. We talked about it, and she says that, in her opinion, a computer can replace a teacher, but it will not be able to replace the heart-to-heart relationship between a teacher and a student. That's true. So what is that thing that only a living human being can pass on to another? To give an example, we can teach different professions through the computer, and a child sits at home and studies. But he will not be able to learn how to correctly relate to other people without being in a society, in a classroom, without being connected with his friends. This is something that can happen only when they're together in the classroom. With their teacher? With their teacher, but especially with themselves. Is this the wisdom of relations? Yes, it is. All in all, what we need in our time is to learn how much mutual help between people can save us from all problems. And the connection between everyone is the remedy for all troubles. And besides that, we don't need anything.